The Institute for Biosecurity provides training in the science of biosecurity and its many methods, and we're located within the School of Public Health at St. Louis University. So for more than a decade, we've pioneered the use of distance learning techniques to train professionals already in the field with courses in infectious disease agents, including those that might cause large-scale pandemics or outbreaks. And we also stress prevention and infection control measures and even biosecurity policy to inform decision makers. The Institute is one of the few biosecurity and disaster preparedness training programs that's located within an accredited School of Public Health. We are founded in public health principles and practice, and that includes preparedness and response training for other disasters such as earthquakes or adverse weather events. Our Masters of Science program is available completely online, and perhaps most importantly, we have a practice-based and research-based environment that drives our entire curriculum. So what really makes us different is that our instruction is science-based. That is, it's based on biological science, infectious disease, and epidemiology. And so we find that after our students have acquired a firm foundation in these areas, they're able to find rewarding work in community public health, private industry, and in federal agencies.